Well, good day, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We are on February 23rd, 2020. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Welcome to another video here as we had another 6.0 earthquake in Turkey. And this has since sent people flooding into the streets. Fear of old infrastructure crumbling as it has happened over the past 2 hours as there's been many earthquakes, even earth moving. Landslides here in Iraq as 2 6.0 earthquakes were recorded on the border with Turkey and Iraq. As people are sifting through the rubble. Friends and family, please share these videos from around the world. Share Morning Dew, because we need to stay aware of blessings to all of the people who are affected by the earthquakes here in Turkey. As you can see, and I said this morning, Earth is changing drastically and sometimes overnight. And you can see here, it literally changed in a moment's notice. As this earthquake shook for about 5 minutes straight. And there's been many deep aftershocks. And now another reported 6.0 in Turkey.
Yine sallıyor.
Now, I put out my update this morning, and there was already the 5.7, but since then, there's been many aftershocks, 4.0 and greater, and then here, recorded another 6.0 in Saray, Turkey. This is right on the border with Turkey and Iraq, and I've been warning of Eurasia movement coming. Watch for African plate movement over the next 2 weeks, as we do have Mercury retrograde happening right now. Let's zoom in on the disaster center here, show you exactly where these earthquakes were centered. Right in a valley on the border with Turkey and Iraq. Friends and family, please share this video with your friends and family. And I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching today. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.